Flux AI versus Midjourney. Which AI art tool is better? Choosing the right AI tool can completely change how you create stunning visuals without the hassle of complex software. Let's explore both options. Flux AI and Midjourney are two powerful AI art tools designed for creators. The core difference lies in their approach. Flux AI focuses on generating art through user-driven prompts, while Midjourney emphasizes community-driven creativity and collaboration. Flux AI is an innovative AI generation tool that allows users to create stunning visuals by simply inputting descriptive prompts. It employs advanced algorithms to interpret user input and generate unique artwork tailored to specific themes and styles. One of the strengths of Flux AI is its user-friendly interface, making it accessible even for those without artistic backgrounds. It offers a variety of styles, from abstract to realistic, catering to diverse creative needs. However, it may have limitations in fine-tuning details compared to traditional digital art software. Ideal users include graphic designers, marketers, and hobbyists looking to enhance their projects with AI-generated art quickly and efficiently. Midjourney is a collaborative AI art tool that thrives on community engagement. Users can create art by interacting with a community of artists and leveraging shared prompts. This platform encourages exploration and experimentation, allowing users to discover new styles and techniques. One significant strength of Midjourney is its ability to produce high-quality, intricate designs that often reflect a blend of various artistic influences. However, the reliance on community input can sometimes lead to inconsistency in results. Ideal users are those who enjoy collaboration, seek inspiration from a vibrant community, and appreciate the fusion of different artistic perspectives in their creations. When comparing Flux AI and Midjourney, consider your creative needs. If you prefer a straightforward prompt-based approach for quick art generation, Flux AI is an excellent choice. It allows for rapid creation without needing extensive artistic skills. On the other hand, if you thrive in a collaborative environment and enjoy exploring diverse artistic influences, Midjourney will likely resonate more with you. The trade-off lies in the level of customization and community interaction. Flux AI provides ease of use, while Midjourney offers a rich tapestry of community-driven creativity. Both tools have their unique strengths, making them suitable for different types of users. For users seeking quick and easy art generation, Flux AI is the recommended choice. If you value collaboration and community-driven creativity, Midjourney is the way to go. Both tools offer incredible potential, so choose the one that aligns best with your artistic vision.